In this video here, I'm going to show you how to do part 3, number 1 for the mole. So this first practice problem says how many moles of apples are there in 4.3 times 10 to the 24th apples? So just like we did when we practiced these conversions, the first thing I would always do would be to write down how many we are given. So that number that we're given in the problem here, if we look back at the problem, is the 4.3. So times 10 to the 24th. So 24th apples. And just like we did when we did these practice problems before, we're going to set up this conversion here. So we're going to use dimensional analysis. So on the top here, we're going to want to write 1 mole, because that's what we're trying to get to. On the bottom, this unit should match. So if we have apples here, we should have apples here. And in 1 mole, because remember this has to be equal to each other, there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd apples. Okay. So if we look at this and then we go ahead and calculate, again, be careful with how you enter this in the calculator since you have these scientific notation values. But we can check that our apples will cancel, so we'll be left with moles, which is good. That's what we want. So if we were to kind of calculate that out with our calculator there, you should get that we have 7.14 moles of apples.